my bike packing hunting setup. I use this anywhere from bear hunting, elk hunting in the autumn, all the way into winter, late season snow hunting. So gearless depends if it's warm weather or if it's cold weather. I'll pack in a wood stove if I'm gonna be in at a base camp for a long time, up to 2 weeks, and then I could haul the meat out. That's the goal. All right, so real quick, I put my lightweight backpack up on top. The backpack also serves where I can put all my layers and sleeping bags. I'll go over that it's best to load the light stuff up on top, and then you want your heavy, dense stuff down bottom. That way you won't be as top heavy when you're trying to steer. Anyways, on top of the backpack, I put snacks, anything I need to get reached, like gloves or anything like that. And then I'll put the weapon up here. It has some buckles that I can attach either a bow or a rifle. So real quick, these side bags can be configured like a dozen different ways, so there's just not one way to do this. But I'll go over real quick. I got food bag. This is where I keep sleeping mat, backpacking stove in here, a ditty bag with like headlamp or wherever extra stuff I'll put in this organization. A lot of the camps I'm hunting into the summer months, there's no snow, so that means there's no water. So I'll use these guys. They're 9 liters a piece, so then I can carry in 18 to 21 liters, including the camel back here. And then let's see, on this side, which you can't see right now, I got another water bag, so it's balanced. And then I have Hex Peak teepee that it sets up with a stick or a trekking pole. And then I also will bring in, like I said, a teepee with the wood stove, and all that will fit on here. So yeah, I hope you answered some questions. I'll go over real quick about the bike. Basically, I have it geared way down to carry heavy loads. So it's got a very small sprocket up here, and then lots of gears down low. What else to go over? I guess you can configure it how you want based upon your setup. I prefer to put all my gear back here, but you could also run a bag up on the handlebars if you wished, or up in this triangle right here if you wish. I just don't feel like with the capacity of this that's even needed. All right, well, I hope this helped answer some questions. Right on.